Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video we will discuss how to reset Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender. We will reset this extender very short and easy steps. So watch this video till the end. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. So first of all we will discuss why it is necessary to reset the Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender. Resetting the Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender is necessary when you face connectivity issues, forgotten passwords, or need a fresh setup. It restores the extender to its factory default settings, clearing any glitches or incorrect configurations. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. First of all, plug the Belkin N300 extender into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to stabilize. Find the reset button on the bottom or side of the extender. It's a small, recessed button that may require a paperclip or pin to press. Hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED starts blinking. Release the button and wait for LED light to turn solid green. The extender will reboot and return to factory default settings. The default network name, SSID, will be Belkin.setup once the reset is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.